Hello, Mom and Sir, brothers and sisters in Christ. Welcome to our channel, Grasscutter Pinoy TV. My today's video, I will repair this coconut broomstick. This coconut broomstick is more than 6 months already. Thank you so much to all of you because when I make this coconut broomstick before, it will reach more than 152,000 plus views. Thank you so much. I will put the link on my description about my previous video. In this video, I will show you how to recycle the coconut broomstick. I will always say thank you to my friends who will help my family here in the Philippines. Thank you so much, Sir Scott and Ma'am Christy, for all the help of my family. May the Lord will bless you more and to your family. To make a coconut broomstick, I will get first the 30% of the stick. I would like to thanks also to you for spending your time to watch our video. As of this time, we are now more than 7,000 plus subscribers. Thank you so much for your time and support. God bless us all. using the plastic tape, that is the one who will protect the rubber, so that after 6 months, more than 6 months, we can reuse it again, the rubber. So we can recycle it, and only the coconut stick will be replaced.